Hi guys, welcome to another day of social studies. Hard to believe this is our last day of the week 2 for social studies. So when you get into social studies, make sure you guys always check updates. Mr. Jimmy and I add updates to give you information, so make sure you're checking that. I also want to remind you guys to check your emails. Um, all your teachers, we've been emailing you, and so it's important that you're checking your email multiple times throughout the day. Okay? Or if you set up notifications that you're checking those. So when you get into social studies today, we're in our week 2 folder here. As always, you can reference our work plan if that's something you want to look at. And then for today, it's Thursday, April 16th. Our goal for today is I can identify the 4 types of propaganda by creating my own example. So what you guys need to do today is you'll be watching this directions video. I'll put the link here when it is done. Very important. You need to very carefully read and look through the directions for a propaganda poster project, and then you will be creating and submitting your own propaganda poster. So today is actually our assessment for our World War I unit. I know it feels really short with the every other day schedule. And instead of doing a test or a quiz, your assessment will be to make your own poster. So when you get into the folder for today, at the top you'll see the direction video. It's not there yet. And then you'll see this directions for our propaganda poster. So when you click on that, it looks really long and overwhelming, but it is hopefully laid out in a way that makes sense. So let's go through it. Your assessment for our World War I unit is to create your own piece of propaganda, and you'll be creating a poster to promote part of World War I. So remember, propaganda is one of our vocab words, which means the spreading of information about your idea to make other people believe in it. So you're trying to make a poster to convince people to do or say what you believe. Okay, so here is the slides. Everyone must watch these. You will not. You will probably lose points. You do not watch this video because it tells you things that you need to do. Okay. You can also look at our slides that I go through in the video here if you would like to see them. Basically, though, for your poster, you have to have these few things in there. You can make your poster on paper or in Notability or in Google Docs or any other way that you can think of. You just need to make sure you submit it. So in this video right here, I show you how to make a poster in Google Docs, how to change the settings to look like a piece of paper. So you can watch that. It's only a minute long. And then I've also we've made some example posters for you guys. So these are what the quality we're looking for to get full points. Okay, so there's 2 examples for you. And then right here, this listen to the directions or audio of the directions, so you can go through and listen to the full directions to make sure you're not missing anything. Okay, and then when you go back into our Thursday folder right here, this is where you will be submitting your poster project. This project is worth 10 points, so you need to look at this directions here carefully and put some time and effort into this, and this is due on Saturday. Okay, so this project will have a big influence on everyone's grades because these are assessment points, not practice points. So do try your best, do put some work into it, okay? So if you have completed your digital citizenship lessons, you can always video chat with me or Mr. Jimmy about this project or anything else to get some help for it, but you have to have your digital citizenship lessons from your Daily Connect course completed before you can do that. If you would like to set up a video chat with us, either one of us or both of us, you just email us and we will send the invite to you, okay, with some directions for how to access it, okay? As always, you can always email us too with questions. We hope you guys are creative and turn in some great posters, okay? Have a good rest of your